Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss worksheet 11 of science class 10th. Acid, bases and salts. The reaction between an acid and a base to give a salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. A neutralization reaction can be written as base plus acid is equal to salt plus water. NaOH plus HCl is equal to NaCl plus H2O. All acid generate H3O plus or H plus ion यानी हाइड्रोनियम आयन और हाइड्रोजन ions. On reaction with water, all bases generate hydroxyl ions in water. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkali. Hence, neutralization reaction can also be written as acid plus base is equal to salt plus water. HX plus MOH is equal to MX plus HOS. This is the general formula. H ion, hydrogen ion plus hydroxyl ion is equal to water बनाता है and X plus M makes MX यानी कि salt. pH scale. The strength of acid and bases depends on the number of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion produced. Acid that give rise to more hydrogen ion are said to be strong acid, and acid that gives less hydrogen ions are said to be weak acid. Same is the case with base also. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution called pH scale has been developed. pH stands for power of hydrogen or potential of hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion plays an important role in knowing how acidic or basic a solution is. The pH of a neutral solution is 7. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represent an acidic solution. As the pH values increase from 7 to 14, it represents an increase in hydroxyl ion concentration in the solution. That is, increase in the strength of alkali. So you can see 7 means neutral and less than 7 acidic and above than 7 is basic. Now let us discuss strong acid or weak acids. Strong acid ionized completely in aqueous solution. Weak acid ionized partially or dissociates incompletely, releasing some of hydrogen ion. Strong acids have higher concentration of hydrogen ion. Weak acid have lesser concentration of hydrogen ion. Example are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Weak acid example are acetic acid and carbonic acid. Strong base and weak base. Strong base ionized completely in aqueous solution. Weak base ionized partially or dissociates incompletely, releasing some of hydroxyl ions. Strong base have higher concentration of hydroxyl ion and weak base have lesser concentration of hydroxyl ion. Example of strong base are NaOH and KOH, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Weak base example is ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. Let us discuss some question here. Question number 1. You have two solution A and B. The pH of solution A is 6 and pH of solution B is 8. Which of these two have higher hydrogen ion concentration? Answer is A, solution A, because its pH is 6, pH lesser than 7 is acidic. So it has higher hydrogen ion concentration. Question number 2. In the above question, which one of the two solution A and B is acidic and which one is basic in nature? Solution A is acidic and B is basic because solution A has 6 pH and solution B has 8 pH. Question number 3. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. How do you think the pH will change as it turns into curd? As it changes into curd, its pH will decrease. It will be lower than 6. Write the name of two strong acid and two strong bases. The answer is two strong acids are HCl and H2SO4, and two strong bases are NaOH and KOH. You can see from above also. And the question number 5, pure water has a pH of 7. What would be its nature? It will be neutral because its pH is 7. Okay. Here you can see answer of all the questions and written. You can note it down.